limited edition models captivate with their unique features and the promise of driving something truly special. Among these rare gems stands the Audi RS4 Avant Edition 25, a testament to the allure of exclusivity. Enter the Audi RS4 Avant Edition 25, a marvel of engineering and style, celebrating 25 years of high-performance history. Under its stunning exterior, the Audi RS4 Avant Edition 25 houses a beast. At the heart of this engineering marvel lies an uprated twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 engine, now delivering a formidable 464 horsepower. This powerhouse is not just about raw strength, it's also about finesse and control. Thanks to a sophisticated rework of the torsion differential, the power distribution is more intuitive than ever, ensuring that every ounce of torque is effectively translated onto the road. Complementing this, the 8-speed automatic transmission has been finely tuned with new mapping, enhancing shift dynamics and response times. Performance metrics speak volumes about this machine's capabilities. The 0 to 100 km/h sprint is achieved in a mere 3.7 seconds, while the top speed clocks in at an impressive 300 km/h. This car isn't just moving fast, it's making every second count. Not just powerful but sharply responsive, the RS4 Avant Edition 25 is built to exhilarate. But power is not all that the RS4 Avant Edition 25 has to offer. Step beyond the engine's roar, and you'll discover a design that's as bold as it is exclusive. Cloaked in the vibrant Imola Yellow, this edition pays homage to the original RS4, standing out with an audacity that catches the eye and holds it. For those preferring subtlety, there are the equally sophisticated options of Nardo Gray or Mythos Black. Each hue is complemented by glossy black accents and an absence of roof rails, enhancing the vehicle's sleek profile. The rear commands attention with exclusive black inlays in the taillights, a detail that underscores the car's special status. Adding to its allure, the body kit is adorned with touches of carbon fiber, thanks to the carbon matte appearance package, which provides both aesthetic appeal and aerodynamic functionality. The discreet engraving of RS4 Edition 25 years on the rear side windows serves as a constant reminder of this model's rarity and historical significance. With every detail, the RS4 Avant Edition 25 is crafted not just for performance, but as a piece of history. So, what does owning one of only 250 Audi RS4 Avant Edition 25s mean? It means possessing a vehicle that not only commemorates 25 years of automotive innovation, but does so with an enhanced flair. With its uprated twin-turbo V6 pushing 464 horsepower, coupled with a sharpened chassis, this machine isn't just fast, it's a piece of history. The striking Imola Yellow or the understated Nardo Gray and Mythos Black, each complemented by exclusive design touches, elevate its exclusivity. The Audi RS4 Avant Edition 25 isn't just a car, it's a celebration of heritage, performance, and exclusivity, wrapped in an unforgettable design.